How many parts? Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode of Romanian Flip Chart Lessons, I will use one of the top 25 most frequently used nouns in the English language and translate it into Romanian. Then I will spell the word and make a sentence and a question with it. Hai să începem! Let's start! In this lesson, we'll look at the word part. In Romanian, parte, parte, P-A-R-T-E, parte. Let's make a sentence. Mi-a plăcut partea a doua a filmului. Mi-a plăcut partea a doua a filmului. I like the second part of the movie. Now, let's make a question. Câte părți are? Câte părți are? How many parts does it have? And that's the end of Romanian Flip Chart lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with the target word and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing out from Bangkok.